Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're watching this on Instagram, hit that follow button. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video. Here's my yellow cut crease. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. But to be completely honest with you, this makeup look did not come out the way I envisioned. And for the life of me, I couldn't get really good photos. But I did get compliments throughout the day, so I guess it didn't look as bad as I thought in my mind. But anyway, I won't be doing a voiceover in this video. Our product shoes will be in my description box. If you have any questions, let me know. And as always, I appreciate all the love and support. Thanks for watching. So this palette I bought through Facebook because I kept seeing this ad like every day, and it has so many colors in here. But I just need to find a good base that it sticks well to and don't look chalky. I miss the NYX Proof It Waterproof Primer. They don't sell that anymore. They discontinued it. So I'm trying to find something that's equivalent to that for these type of palettes. Also, I will say some of these colors didn't look the shade that I thought it was going to be, so I had to add like other shades on top of it to get the color payout that I wanted. But that happens sometimes, you know. Alright guys, there you have it. Here's a completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. you.